Hey there! Today I'm showing you how to create AI covers using Audio Modify. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your browser and go to app.audiomodify.com. You can sign up for free or log in if you're already a member. Step 2. Click on Upload Audio. You can easily drag and drop your file here or select it from your computer. Supported formats include MP3, WAV, and more. Step 3. After uploading, browse through the voice models. There are various styles from realistic to fun characters. Choose the one that fits your project. Step 4. If you want, you can customize the pitch or remove reverb and echo for a cleaner sound. These options can help you fine-tune your audio. Step 5. Once everything looks good, click Generate. Audio Modify will process your request, and in just seconds, your AI cover will be ready. Step 6. After it's generated, you can listen to your cover. If you love it, hit download to save it directly to your device.